These machines make the donuts even more delicious, because whatever you say but looks do matter. Don't just look at these. Come on, you can cheat your diet once in a while. And that sprinkle depositor continuously releases the sprinkles to cover the chocolate donuts with colorful buddies. If sprinkles weren't enough, let's talk about those glazing bots that automatically coats freshly made donuts with a shiny glaze, ensuring each one is perfectly covered. Keeping your lip balms jam-packed so you can moisturize your lips to the fuller. Gonna show you the best and most satisfying way of making candies, well, at not so big level, but with quite satisfying procedure. Once the mixture is well kneaded, they are gonna get that magic machine ready to mold the caramel candy material within these rollers. As soon as the sheet is passed through the rollers, it starts taking the bead shape. That is absolutely charming. Keep watching to see all those sheets getting converted into beads. And if you're my true audience, you will definitely know how much I love the candy separation part. The ultimate machine for slicing Gouda cheese with precision and ease. After loading a block of Gouda onto the machine's platform, you'll get the desired slice thickness every time. Don't roll your eyes, it's super satisfying. The whole chicken is carefully inspected and sorted before entering the mechanical line, so they can be individually packaged in vacuum-sealed bags. As much rotating high speed as this with continuous water flow, this little invention helps to peel off the potato skins. The water flow not only helps in the removal of the skins, but also washes away the peeled skins and starch released during the peeling process to result in a hassle-free operation. These machines are gonna cut the perfect dough for sandwich biscuits, which are then taken straight to the ovens. As we said sandwiches, these biscuits are going to be popped up with different sorts of fillings and passed through glazing waterfall right away to preserve the crowing crunch. Never leaving chocolate as an option, it's a must. This entire setup works in harmony with the biscuits depositors and the chocolate extruders for best results. And that thick, rich melted chocolate is gonna cover the entire sandwich, leaving an addictive taste behind. This process not only enhances the flavor of the biscuits, but also adds a visually appealing aspect to the treat, making it irresistible for chocolate lovers. As soon as these sandwiches get a chilled trip, they are called for packaging. I have never seen anything produced in that abundance at a time. Using advanced technology, this smart system will get these strawberries ready for your breakfasts. They precisely feed the strawberries into the feeding belt, which will ensure minimal waste, showing off their magic, and remove the hulls mechanically. No doubt, in this process, not even a single strawberry is going to get ruined. Now that's a big talk. It's my luck, I get to see these colorful bagels forming in factories. Simply load those tubs into the specialized molds, then watch as this pretty smart machine fills each one with ice creamy goodness. This innovative machine can handle a number of orders regarding a variety of minced meat types. Using these advanced machines, any company can handle large volumes of portioned minced meat and packaging quickly and accurately. It also helps in reducing labor costs and increasing productivity in factory settings. It plays a crucial role in meat processing operations. Such precise cutting machines ensure that each slice is uniform. These setups are usually equipped with sharp, durable blades and a little pressing machine to press the pieces and mold them into round patties. As soon as the sausage rolls are induced into the feeder, we definitely should be prepared for something extraordinary. Here we get to see these beautiful slice cuts. Flatbreads are a rare sight to be watched in factory settings, and where they are seen, there's no doubt that they are on another level. Check out this man, how beautifully he is gonna slice this pineapple into perfectly equal inches. For that, he first needs to extract the edible soft part of the pineapple. This cutting-edge equipment utilizes a minute digital technology to carve on the metal plates. This all-in-one solution makes sure the poultry processing process is gonna end up amazing, ensuring consistency and quality at every step. First, they need to hang the whole chicken upside down with the help of clippers. Well, they are alive at this moment, but they have plans ready for their insensitive butchering. You might have heard that happy chickens give delicious meat, so they are gonna use this method called stunning to make them black out so they won't feel pain. Once they are washed and cleaned, their skin will be easily removed by using the rolling pins that extracts every inch of their skins and reveal the clean chicken. As the cutting procedure has started, so at first their head will be removed, obviously through an automated procedure. Then comes the foot cutting part, where the gears push the chicken towards cutting plates to easily cut both their feet and release the whole meat on the belts. Kippers like them are the true buddies of packing bots, as they hold and open the packing bags, making way for nozzles to pour the materials and seal the bags at once. It's definitely gonna save a lot of hassle and time. With its delicate bristles and convenient design, this machine operates automatically. Get ready to watch these machines displaying the fish slices right according to the required dimensions. As soon as the fish slices are laid equally, they are passed under utterly modern fish bones removing units, so every fish slice is free of those little spikes. It's their best art to use these specialized minor tweezers-like machines that carefully pick the bones, maintaining their optimal performance. Its customizable settings allow for adjustment to various fillet sizes and cutting preferences, ensuring consistent results every time. Based on the flexibility and strength of the mechanical equipment, their work is completed like never before. As these raw materials undergo a super fun and satisfying transformation, they literally make us believe anything set to higher standards is possible. This innovative set of advanced nozzles effortlessly releases fluffy marshmallows to satisfy your sweet cravings. Once they're done with marshmallows, they are gently coated in a velvety melted chocolate, transforming them into irresistible treats that definitely enhance the taste buds. Gonna shape up the future of biscuits. These depositors make sure to take the dough and release beautiful patterns, every time in the same manner and with same precision. This setup transforms the candy batter into many beautiful patterned hard candies. Just load the material and receive the candy sheets full of the pretty patterns. When they call something an automated setup, they mean these machines which arrange the biscuits in neat rows and get them ready for the cream depositors. Several headed nozzles lay a blanket of cream on one layer of biscuits, carefully leaving the other one for easily making a perfect biscuit sandwich, slowing down the process so you can have a sight.
That's a wrap for today, but if you want to watch more videos like these, you can find us here.